Hello everyone. Uh, Today we will solve few more problems related to quartiles. Okay, here the question is find Q1. Okay, that means first quartile we have to find out, and datas are for class and frequency 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, like this way class intervals are given and also frequencies are given. Okay, which means these are group data, so we have to use here formula for group data for calculation of Q1. Okay, now first of all we have to see whether these class intervals are equidistant or not. They are equidistant. Okay, and one more thing, we have to see whether they are exclusive type of or not. See, here it is ends with 10, again it begins with 10, ends here 15, again so it begins with 15. That means these class intervals are exclusive type of, that means we can calculate here Q1. Fine. Now to calculate Q1, okay, we have to calculate here cumulative frequencies. Okay, and for calculation of cumulative frequency we need to prepare a table first. Okay, table where we will have 3 columns, one for class intervals, another one for frequency, another for cumulative frequency. So first we will write down the class intervals, then the frequencies, then cumulative frequencies. Okay, now since I have asked here to calculate Q1, I have to find out the first quartile class. Okay, as we did this in median, we have calculated for median class, then we used to calculate median. Here also we have to do the same thing. First of all we have to calculate the first quartile class, since I have asked here to calculate Q1. Okay, and then we will calculate Q1 for group data. Okay, now to calculate Q1, what we have to do here, since it is quartile, we have to divide capital N by 4. Okay, after dividing capital N, that is total frequency 150 divided by 4, I have got 37.5. Now see in this column of cumulative frequency. Okay, see in this column of cumulative frequency, the value either equal to 37.5 or greater than this. So I do not have a equal value, but I have a greater value, that is 50. Okay, mark this as first quartile class. You mark this as first quartile class. Okay, now now we will calculate Q1. We can calculate Q1. Okay, now write down the, see, 15 to 20 is the first quartile class. Now write down the formula given for Q1. Here L plus, here we have a 1. Okay, in our actual formula, the formula is Qi is equal to L plus In by 4 minus f divided by small f into h. This I will be 1 when we are calculating first quartile, this I will be 2 when we are calculating second quartile, this I will be 3 when we are calculating third quartile. Since I am calculating first quartile, so I will take value 1. Okay, and I have not written here 1 because anything we multiply by 1 we get the same number, so I have directly written n by 4. Okay, now I am going to put the value. What is small l here? Small l is the lower limit of the quartile class, first quartile class, so which is 15 here. Capital N by 4 we have already calculated, 150 by 4, that is 37.5. F, the value preceding the cumulative value of the cumulative frequency preceding the quartile class. This is our quartile class, the preceding value is 25. Okay, so F, what is capital F here? The value of cumulative frequency preceding the quartile class. Okay, first quartile class, since we are calculating here Q1. Okay, F is the frequency of first quartile class, since we are calculating her Q1. So what is the value of F? That is 25. Okay, and what is the width? That is 5 here. Okay, after doing the calculations I have got 17.5. So this is our required first quartile. You try to calculate Q3 by yourself. Okay, and also Q2. Okay, using the formula. Thank you.